What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard and we have the garage pretty much empty. I have my truck inside actually, which I have to move it in about 2 seconds, but we have the F600 out here. We got the blue International and the red International over there. Anthony is bringing the green pickup truck around right now. We're going to put the Plow off the green pickup truck right here along the office. I just got to move these chains here. This is about 8.5 feet and the Plow's 9 feet. So we'll put it right here to keep it out of the way. I think we're going to park the F600 right here. The rest of the Plows we're going to put over in the pen because they're all a lot bigger. We have a small Western Plow on the green pickup truck, so fairly small Plow. But let me move my truck out of here. We'll get everything in here, then we'll start taking Plows off of trucks and getting them all put away. Alright guys, we got the other truck parked inside. We just unbolted these Plows here. We took the pins out of this one, dropped the chain down, took the hoses off. We're working on the wing Plow here, but I just noticed this pin got tweaked again. This is the new pin that we put in here. You may remember a few months ago, maybe about a month ago, I'm not exactly sure when that was, but we took a twisted pin out of here and put a new one in, which was straight, but the bottom of it is bent again. So I don't know how this keeps happening, but we're gonna put a chain, well, there's already a chain on it, but we're gonna bring that machine over here, hook the chain in here and try and lift it out with the machine, because banging that out is gonna take forever. Hey, yo hace? ¿Cómo hace? Pero es muy fácil para mí. Come on. frente de la camera. Look how twisted that is. Spin it. Crazy.
Yo. Tendrá cuidado, se vaya a voltear de verdad ahí.
One second. All right, guys, we got all of the plows off and all of the trucks parked inside. The plows are put away in the fenced-in area. We got both of the Internationals up front here. Got the F350 on the side. We have both of these machines in here as well, our 930 and our John Deere mini excavator. The F600 is parked over here on the side. We could probably fit one more truck in here if we could get these pieces of fence out of here and this bucket out of here. Eventually, we're going to be setting that fence up. I'm not exactly sure when, but we are officially done here for the season as of midnight last night. Our contract went through April 15th. Today is the 16th, which is why you see us here taking everything apart finally. Thankfully, we held off on it because these guys had some snow and they actually had to salt as well not too long ago. Anyway, let's turn these lights off and lock everything up. That is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.